Good morning from Parsley Hill Spaniels. As you can see, it's early. Well, early for the sun. The moon's still up as well. Oh. Bit of a breeze. Some jays up already. I've got to go and feed them. Breeze makes it a bit nippy. But look at that sunrise. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? Those colours. Oh my. They're gorgeous. Actually, I wanted to show you what I meant, because I don't think some people understand when I say when the sun rises at different points and sets at different points. This is it rising in the southeast, because east is there. That's the southeast, and that'll be south-southeast, which it'll be next week, and it will be setting there in south-southwest. And at the moment it's there where those trees are. That's southwest, and to the left of that is south-southwest, and then obviously that's south. But isn't that gorgeous? So you see what I mean, where it's where it rises now. Absolutely gorgeous. Hope you can hear the birdies. They're singing. Lots to do today. Lots and lots to do. Weird that the moon's there as well, isn't it? Lots and lots to do. I've got to get on with some housework. Got to feed the birdies. Got to let the girls out in a bit. Got to start bringing the Christmas decks up. I'm sure the teddies are going to help me. I've got some painting to do. So as you can see, sleigh has moved. There it is. That's just one of them. The other one's inside. I've already painted it. And I've just got to do the actual sleigh runners as well. These birdies. They're lovely. Absolutely lovely. Oh yeah, that wind is a bit nippy. Hands are getting cold now. Oh, I'm going back in. It's coffee time. Okay, guys. Oh, look at that. It always gets colder before the sun comes up. Wonder why. Never mind. Looks like it's going to be a glorious day. I hope it is. Might even get some northern lights later. You never know. We had some the other night, but I forgot to film it. Silly me. There we are. Anyway, hope you all have a good day as well. We'll be back soon. Take care, everyone. Happy sniffs.